My name is Peter Berlinger with AV Showrooms. I'm here with Elliot Goldman. Elliot, how are you?
Good morning, Peter. How are you?
Elliot, you distribute Goebel high-end bending wave technology here in North America.
That's correct.
You also are a dealer for Siege Precision.
That is also
You're
correct.
also a dealer for Kronos.
Actually, we're working on that.
Working on it. Oh,
Okay.
Well, congratulations.
But
If you
Louis is
get
a
that-
friend,
yeah.
and we've done a bunch of shows
Yep.
together, and it's always a pleasure to have Louis work with us at the shows.
Very good. What are we showing here at
Well,
Rocky Mountain?
this is a Divin Noblesse. This is the second in a line in the Divin series. The one in the poster, as you see behind this, is a Majestic, and it is Majestic. It's significantly bigger, but we wanted to show these basically because I didn't bring a pair of those into the United States. They won't fit in my sound room. But this is, in my opinion, one of the finest loudspeakers in the world. Second to basically nothing, maybe the Majestic. It's 92 dB efficient, and as you heard or will hear, it's quite amazing. It's really working well in this room.
Mm-hmm. Well, I see off to my right is the designer and CEO of Goebel.
Right, and my business partner.
Okay, viewers, meet Oliver Goebel. Oliver, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks, Peter.
Tell us about what went into the design of these.
First, I have to say it's a 95 dB efficiency for the
I'm
Divin
sorry.
Noblesse.
I'm
No.
sorry.
It's very special.
You know what happened? I didn't sleep well enough last night. I lost 3 dB.
But there's enough dB. This is very special on this speaker are the mid-range drivers. We implemented a lot of our bending wave technology to prevent cone breakup. Of course, what you see here, the 12-inch woofers are also quite special when you look nearer. It's an AMT tweeter that we modified very, very heavily. The enclosure is a non-compromise design. We implemented there also a lot of knowledge from bending wave to prevent resonating of the enclosure. So yeah. It's a very, very, very good speaker, I would say.
Right. We're also using all of Oliver's cables, which I don't know if you could.
Oh, outstanding!
can
Yeah,
see.
yeah. We'll get a shot
It's,
of those.
our speaker wire interconnects USB cable and power cords.
Okay, and we have a Siege Precision here in front of us. What model is that?
It's a CH Precision 1.1. That's their big stereo amplifier, at least for now.
Mhm.
And we're using a stereo L1, P1, and C1. That's phono and DAC. And then Louis Pro.
Yeah, we'll go over and take a look at that.
We'll get
Just-
Louis to
yeah,
it.
let's go, viewers. Let's go walk over and take a look.
So
we
here
go.
we're with the equipment, Peter, and this is the L1 preamp, C1 DAC, P1 phono stage, and this is the Kronos table. Let me bring in Louis Desjardins from Kronos, and he can tell you about the turntable. Welcome, Louis.
Hi, thank you, Elliot. Hi, Peter, how are you?
Very good.
Good. So, yes, here it's very nice for us to be with Goebel and CH. Oliver and I have a long-lasting partnership at shows. We work together, association, I should say. And we've been doing the show in Munich maybe 4 times together. I find that the Goebel loudspeaker and the Kronos turntable are a very good match together because they both aim at minimizing phase issues that we often find in sound. So I'm very happy about this collaboration. Here we have the Kronos Pro with the SCPS and the Black Beauty tone arm. Nothing particularly new on this unit we're using here. This is actually a unit that has been going around doing shows for the last 2 or 3 years. It's been upgraded to all the little changes that we bring to Kronos. Everything that we do can be retro upgradable. So it's a fully up-to-date Pro, but that's dated for a while, and that's been giving us great service.
Well, that's the thing. We have one too that's been in service for a couple of years. No problems. 0 problems. And that's what it's about. The table's been shipped all over the world, and turn it on, it starts right up.
Yes.
And we're going to drop the needle in just a second here,
Oh,
and we're
yes.
going to play some beautiful music. Here we go.
commencer et à notre insu. À traverser jour traversé l'idée reçue qu'en s'éloignant petit à petit de notre enfance, les corps vieillissent, les cœurs se fêtent, que l'on n'échappera jamais à la déchéance, que l'on n'y peut rien. On part battu, il n'y a pas d'autre alternative, pas d'autre issue. Et quand nous jetons tête baissée sous son par-dessus, le temps passé n'est pas passé. Inaperçu. On s'est aimé, cœurs enlacés, dessous, dessus. Commencer tout, on commençait. La su. On s'est regardé autrement et on a eu peur. Que l'ombre grandisse, que le cœur se ferme, et que la peau puisse perdre un jour de sa douceur. Mais tout ça ne vaut rien, tout ça n'est plus. Et si l'on meurt, c'est à cause de l'idée reçue. Quand je tombe sur le feu, c'est
subtle detail that's in that recording came through in spades. My gosh, it was like I was at that concert, and that warmth and the low frequency push coming into the room. The whole room is pressurized, just like you are when you're at a concert. That was stunning. The micro detail, the macro detail, the macro dynamics. Oh my gosh, it was all there. We have a little bit of echo in this room, but it played perfectly with the recording.
We are team no compromise.
Yes.
That's the way all of us work. We wanted to develop a system with products that we realize this isn't for everyone, and not everybody's going to have a room for it. But this speaker can play big, it can play small, it can play soft, it can play loud, it can play rock, it can play jazz, it can play classical, it can play hip hop, it can play French, it can talk in Thai or Chinese. It does everything. It's a system without compromise, and it's for that person that wants something that they don't have to apologize when they want to put on Led Zeppelin or Mozart.
Well, one word I would sum it up is it's majestic.
Well, it's actually Divin. The Majestic's a little bigger.
The sound is, though.
Thank you. We tried very hard.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful sound today. Congratulations on what a great design.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you
Hey.
for coming, Peter.
Yep, thanks for having us. Bye.
Bye.